Understanding the phrase, enthused. Hey there, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to explore a phrase that might be new to some of you, enthused. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and in what context. So, let's get started. Enthused is the past tense of the verb enthuse. It originates from the word enthusiasm, which means intense and eager enjoyment or interest. When someone is enthused about something, it means they are excited or passionate about it. Example, Sarah was enthused about her upcoming trip to Paris. You might hear enthused used in various contexts. Here are a few examples to help you understand its application. 1. James was enthused after seeing the latest superhero movie. 2. Maria enthused about her new recipe to her friends. 3. The audience was clearly enthused by the singer's performance. Notice in the second example, enthused is used as a verb where Maria is expressing her excitement. While enthused is a great word to use, there are a couple of common mistakes that learners make. 1. Confusing with enthusiastic. Enthusiastic is an adjective. E.g., she is enthusiastic about painting. 2. Overusing the word. While it's a fantastic word to know, be sure to vary your vocabulary to avoid repetition. If you want to express a similar sentiment but with different words, here are some synonyms for enthused. Excited, elated, thrilled, passionate. Using synonyms can help make your language more vibrant and versatile. And there you have it. You now know what enthused means, how to use it correctly, and some synonyms to mix up your vocabulary. We hope you're as enthused about learning as we are about teaching. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!